Good morning, all my dear friends. We are back with Ira on the road. Yes, she's going somewhere else to do her morning things, of course. So, after this, after this session, we are going to go on the mountain for trading, bro. For trading, बहुत मजा आने वाली. We're going to go there. We're going to analyze. We're going to um, see where are we? Are we going? Are we? Can we take the trades? Where we can take the trades? If we're taking a trade, why we're going to take trades? Every single analysis for this weekend is remaining. So we are going on mountain and do every single analysis and come up with the answer like where we're going to trade, on which currency we are going to do trading, and rest of the things. So stay tuned for that. Signing off. Enjoy. Good morning. Yes, we're going right now for trekking. Yes, wide angle, it looks good. So right now we are going in trekking. We have a laptop, we have a backpack, we have a tiffin, every single thing we need to be there. Going up, doing trading analysis, and then making the decision which trade we are going to take or not. Signing off. Enjoy. Yes, this is the route. Guys, so this is a road, and what that is the mountain we are heading towards, and there is CCTVs all around, so be always smile. And this is the area of the where all the metros, all the Pune's metros are here. So make sure, oh my, hold on. So, this route is not actually map यहाँ पे बोलता है, but we have to go one road that side as well. So we'll go one road that side. So गलत रोड बाबू, वापस घूम के जाओ. आज हम लोग जाएंगे. We will definitely go. एक तो ये this road is unknown. Second road is known. So I just wanted to make sure I wanted to explore. So that's why I was going by unknown road. So let's. ये तो होगा ही, unknown road है ना, बट यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कुत्ते, तो अपना हथियार दैट इज बैट को साथ में रखना जरूरी होता ही है. Signing off. So this is the exact road we should be going, and we gone to that road. Google Map suggests. तो अभी हम लोग वापस जा रहे हैं. So always make sure I'm keeping this with my. वो कुत्ते पीछे लग गए ना तो बहुत लग जाएगी. तो इसकी वजह से we need something to attack them as first before they attack us. So I'm so afraid of this dogs. Like anything. Signing off. Once more, यहाँ पे we came, but the road was not correct. So I asked one person. He says that you have to go one more cab block के बाद में जाना पड़ेगा. मतलब we have to take one more left turn. So now going to go do that. Unknown road, but no problem. It's creating memories, right? Map ने धोखा दिया यार. Turn and this is beautiful road. I love this road like anything. Look at the trees, bro, and look at my stone. We need this. So they recommend that there was one grandpa. So yeah, they told that there will be mandir. So this is one mandir. Also one more mandir he suggests me. So after that you should be going up. So I look like this is the right way to go up. Let's see. Look at this road. We're literally somewhat on the mountain. So we'll cross the road. We are very close to the mountain, like anything, where such trees are there. Signing off. There we finally found the things. Here we go. After so much asking, so much searching, so much fighting with dogs, with this stone, of course this was lie. So we finally are really close to the mountain. And guess what? The views are going to be all. Once we reach up, I'm gonna do the trading analysis. I wanna do this. I wanna do analysis of trading, even though that goes in profit and that goes in loss. I want to do this. It's fantasy, bro. Traders fantasy. Signing off. This is how the mountain looks like. Of course, like a mountain. Nothing like that. I heard that there will be steps. I really don't know if that's true or not. So, we'll do this. Signing off. यहाँ पे ही दम लग गया मेरे को. It looks good. You wanna see the view? The view. So, you wanna say this? Hold on. Let me make it wide angle. दो वीडियोस उल्टे आ गए बराबर. वो wide angle बहुत मस्त दिखता रहेगा ना. Oh my god. I'll change the angle. I wanted to make this memory beautiful. So we are about to reach. Look at that. Must, no? So we are about to reach. This is the step 1. We're going to go till step 10. Guess what? This is just the step 1. We reach to Mandir. We'll take the direction and then we'll move ahead. There are dogs. So the step 2 begins from here. We're going ahead. This is what the step 2 entry is. I just give the name right now. Step 1, step 2. Now this is what the step 2 is. Step 2 is there. I can see, you can't see because that's there. Step 3, step 4, step 5 until step 10. Step 10 is beautiful place where there are mountains and there are mandir as well, temple you can say, and and there are a beautiful environment. Now यहाँ पे कुछ खतरा नहीं है, but still. So look at that. I love it. I love it, bro. Kharutai. I saw the Kharutai, bro. So we're going there. After going there, we're going to do analysis. Yes. See the climate. So we just finished the step 2. यहाँ पे मंदिर है. So we take a darshan. And now it's really time to drink water, bro. ये we need to drink water. Nutrition रखना पड़ेगा. Like, isn't it the beautiful, yeah? So, but you can see that झड़ चुका है almost. Previously when I come that time it was green like anything. Yeah. लग रहा है कि पहले से ही जला दिया है और like that गिर गए. But the time में जब आया था ना, beautiful. It was green like it. I can see the cherry blossom. So drinking more water. We'll go ahead. After going, we have to do the trading analysis and rest of the things. A lot of work is coming. Signing off. See that cherry blossom I was talking about. I probably guess so ahead आगे भी बहुत सारे cherry blossoms will be there. So let's go. Keep going. So this cherry blossoms I was talking about. I really don't know is that a cherry blossom or something like that, but जो Shinchan और Doraemon में देखता हूँ ना, तो literally वो लोग cherry blossom में से pink flowers को बोलते हैं. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? It is beautiful. Look at behind me. नहीं है, उधर ही है cherry blossom. I probably guess so. When we go ahead, we can see more pink flowers. That is, I personally call it cherry blossoms. Oh, might be. So let's explore. Signing off. So here we go. You wanna see? We have crossed the step 3. I also crossed the step 4. I haven't shot the step 4. This is the step 5. This is the step 5. It looks so good, isn't it? So यहाँ पे ऐसे गोल घूम के जा सकते हैं. And this is a step 5. So we are going to go from here. So more 5 steps are remaining to reach to our destination. We are currently crossing, entering step 5 and have finished step 4, 3, step 2 and step 1. And the view is phenomenal. I love it. And the way I'm moving the camera, probably guess it is fitting very good, isn't it? I love this. Signing off. This is the life of trader and this is what I wanted to live every single day. In New York, in London, in India, everywhere I want to live. With this stone, I'm feeling so safe like anything, because I can attack if any animal comes like dogs or something like that. यहाँ पे elephant भी दिख सकते हैं? नहीं, of course not. But दिख गया तो of course elephants को हम लोग कुछ नहीं करेंगे, वही हम लोग को करेगा. But yes, dog speaks अगर आए ना तो we will use this for sure. Look at that. Hey, guess what? I'm a lone person right now here at this certain patch. That means we can sing. Let's sing. मेरे को ये सब ये सब देख के मेरे को है ना ये सॉन्ग याद आ रहा है. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'm the worst singer, so don't comment. You're the worst singer or not. Just listen. ले जाए कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए हवाएं ले जाए कहाँ न मुझको खबर है तुझको पता. हो हा किती छान गातो ना एकदम वर्स्ट. मतलब पत्थर भी अभी जड़ लगने लगा मेरे को. नो विल सिंग. आई लव दिस सॉन्ग. लेट्स सिंग. I love this song यार. Hey guys, look at the road. My goodness. कसं व्हायचं आपण एकटा इथं जाऊ आपण. इट्स सेफ. ये मिलिटरी एरिया बट स्टिल कैसे हिलाओ देयर वाज लिजर्ड बोले तो पाल बोले तो छिपकली बोले तो कुछ नहीं. So I love this view यार. You wanna see how it looking? This is how looking it is how it this is looking. चुकतंय इंग्लिश चुकतंय बंदच करतो व्हिडिओ. So welcome to the step entrance. Guess what this is steps. खूपच छान है ना. पीछे is a narrow road. This side is also a beautiful road. So we are going upside to the step 6. And guess what? After reaching to the step 6, actually this is only the we have steps. Signing off. Let's do it. तो अब थोड़ा सा शो नहीं करेंगे हम लोग. I wanna sing this song again, but it'll be good. So this, bro. You can also hear the silence of the nature. Yeah. Beautiful. See that bird. You wanna see? Oh my. Where is that bird? Birdie. हाँ. Samsung का कैमरा मतलब zoom में तो quality खराब. Signing off. We'll go to step 6. Hey, this is.
When you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go.
Hey, hear this.
Only know you've been high when you're feeling low.
Hear this.
You only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.
Bro. Only
know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go.
Damn, I love this music. Let's go. Hi there. So we are about to reach. We just finished the step 6. Now it's starting the step 7. From that steps. The step 7 started, and we are about to finish the step 7. In front of me there is a beautiful mandir. We'll take the darshan and we'll proceed towards the step 8. This is step 7. Signing off. This is the mandir. Now we took darshan. Now let's finish the step 7. Here's the step 8. Let's go. Sit there. There is a beautiful place as well. यहाँ पे भी बैठ सकते हैं एंड वहाँ पे बैठ सकते हैं. देखते हैं कहाँ पे बैठते हैं. Signing off. मेरे को डर लग रहा है. We'll keep this and here's our dog. हात लाव तुला. बरोबर तुझ्या हिशोबाने तुझे काय करू बी तुला. हात लाव. चावायचं नाही. मी चावणार ना. हुशार आहे तू. अच्छा हात लावायला. बरोबर लावतो बाबा. व्हेरी गुड. मुझे पायल नको होगा खूप. अरे मेरे पैर को है ना आयरा के स्मेल है. लागलं मागं. अयो हे क्या कर रहे हैं. चल भावा तुझं बघ. मी माझं बघ. हे आता पुढं बसायचं. चल तू आहे माझ्यासोबत. कोण नाही तर तू आहे. पुढं बसायचं. मला लॅपटॉप घेऊन बसायचं. मग आपण तिथंच बसू. इकडे बसू आपण सावलीमध्ये. चल हा नाही इथं बसू इथं. पण तिथं व्ह्यू चांगलं आहे ना. बसा आता. अय्यो लॅपटॉप गेला. लय कुठं नाही राव. signing off. So लॅपटॉप कसं पकडणार? तू काय करतोय कुत्तू? देयर इज अ डॉग यू नो. हलचल 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 आ रही आवाज. ती बिल्ली आहे. वी कॅन सीट देयर एज वेल बट बहुत धूप है सो काहीतरी कुठं ना करावं लागेल. I want this view, you know, while doing analysis. Hey there, I'm just opening this laptop, my money making machine. Yes, we are sitting actually down because every single where a beautiful places there is a dhoop. We can't sit there, but we are getting the view. I love this view, the mountains and the rest of the things. एंड अपना जो फ्रेंड है दैट डॉग ही गॉन कर मार के आ रहा है. तब तक मैं थोड़ा एनालिसिस करता हूँ. आई एम गोइंग लाइव ऑन यूट्यूब हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन इवेंटली एंड डू द एनालिसिस एज वेल. सो साइनिंग ऑफ. लेट्स डू इट. यस. Hey guys, just now keep this laptop. Just now I'm eating this with this beautiful where we can see the mountains. I love this. Just love this. Wow. There, so we are out of the battery as the laptop got shut down. But the view is still on. The view is on. My phone is on. My phone is also was charging. This power bank. सस्ते नशे रहेगा चिकट पट्टी वाली power bank use कर दो मैं. So yes. Now my stomach is full. I wanted to, you know, what we'll do, we'll go home, we'll run on this laptop. 2 से 3 pairs are remaining for analysis and rest of the things are clear. मेरे को बहुत थोड़ा time लग रहा है because we are new in these things. I mean this strategy and rest of the things. But yes, this week we are going to earn money for sure. And this is it. Let's go home. Done. Signing off. अभी घर पे जाने के videos बनेंगे. See the view. What I was saying. This is the view I was talking about. Seriously, look at that. See this, just see. Now we're going home. मेरे legs मतलब. Oh my god. I can, you know, I can feel the pain of my legs. Ouch. Oh, as we are heading down, this is the beautiful view. This is the view I was talking about. And क्या दिख रहा है? मस्त एकदम. फुल जला दिखने है क्या? ये देखो. This is जला हुआ स्पॉट, वो जला हुआ स्पॉट, बहुत सारे जले स्पॉट है. बेसिकली ऐसे दिखता नहीं बट पता है जला क्यों दिया. नीड टू फाइंड द रीजन. बट ये मस्त दिख रहा है यार. वो घर देखो मस्त है. है क्या बात है. I'm actually in the top of the city level बोल सकते हैं. Not city, area level, because this mountain I probably guess this is the most topest mountain in this particular area I'm talking about. Is it signing off? So, I'm walking here. I can literally feel the heatness of the धूप. भले मैं काला ही गिरने वाला I guess so. So beautiful bird. That's beautiful bird. What I'm saying here is the plane just take off. How my ज़्यादा zoom out हो गया. Oh my god, कटेगा ये plane. अयो कितना भारी दिख रहा है यार. Oh my god. Literally I can spot it. So beautiful takeoff. And right now I'm in the middle of the road. There is no one. Me and my stone and my songs playing background. The more. Can you able to spot the more? I can able to spot the more. Chilio, मेरा आवाज था. But I spotted them, 2 of them, and I saw them. I shoot them. I make a video of them, and they're gone. Oh fuck, look at this. Hey, look at this view. Beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful, yaar. This is number one thing, bro. This is what the metro. मैं तो इसको courtyard ही बोल रहा हूँ because I can see that it's like a courtyard only. On the road now, we are just walking for almost like 1.2 kilometers, and yes, then now
turn left onto lane number 10.
But then our house will come and then we'll do the shower and rest of the things. बहुत थक गया मैं. But it was awesome, and yeah, signing off.